The Ocemida shower filter is a compact and efficient filtration system, particularly suited to fit in small spaces where traditional filters cannot. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing the shower filter on a handheld shower head. Let's start by preparing the filter. Begin by rotating the cup counterclockwise to open it. Next, wiggle the filter inside, back and forth gently to loosen it. If the filter is too tight, you can use a spoon to assist. Simply slide the spoon under the lip of the rubber seal and gently lift to extract the filter. Remove the plastic wrap if present. Use this method to replace the filter every 3 to 6 months. Note that the date ring on the filter, which marks the expiration, is not adjustable when the filter is closed. Thus, remember to set it to the month of installation when the filter is open. Installing the filter is simple and requires no tools. Locate the junction where the hose connects and place your filter in that spot. Ensure it is secure, but avoid over-tightening. Hand tightening is sufficient. Enjoy healthier skin and hair with Ocemida.